Hello, science classes. So I'm going to show you two videos today. They're both about Flipgrid. One is about the computer version. This one is about the mobile version. So if you guys have used the Google Classroom app, some of you might have found that it's kind of easier to use the computer version. But I'd say Flipgrid is just as easy as to use on the app as it is the computer. It's pretty easy to use. So to install Flipgrid on your phone, just go to the Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you have Apple. Here's what it looks like. Flipgrid. I already have it installed. So let me just go over there again. You can see it's on the left side of the screen in the middle. I'm going to open it up. So it's going to take you to, it's going to walk you through the process of how to get to your class. So it's going to tell us about yourself. Are you a student or an educator or a guest? I'm going to go ahead and select student. I'm going to enter this as if I'm a student, just like you guys. Now, it's going to ask you for either a code, or you can scan a Flipgrid QR. So I have the code posted on Google Classroom. I'm going to say join with Google, because you need to use your student account, which is a Google account. So here, you might, like me, you might have multiple accounts on your phone. So make sure you select your student account. I'm going to select my teacher account. All right, so right now I have two topics posted. I'm going to go to the first topic, which is one that says, hey, hello. And by the way, if you know who this character is that's waving at you right now, I will give you bonus points if you mention who it is and have to cut that part out. Okay, so this is your first assignment. It says, say hello. It says, welcome to Flipgrid. Type the green plus button below. So it used to be a green plus button, but now it's a red camera. To open the Flipgrid camera. Then record a short video and say hello. So I want you to do 4 specific things. So make sure you pay attention to my instructions so you know what you're recording. You're going to tell us your name, tell us your desired career path, share something fun about yourself, and then attach a random photo. So the video that was playing down there all by itself, that's kind of a sample video. It's one that I posted. So if you guys want to watch that and just to see how I responded to it, you can. Kind of gives you an idea of what I'm looking for. And attach a random photo. How do I do that? Well, let's look at it. So I'm going to attach the record button. So it's going to ask for some permission. I'm going to say yes, allow the video, allow the audio. It has to get the video and audio permissions in order to record anything. So it says step 1 of 4. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record your video. So Flipgrid has a limited response time. That just means you guys need to think about what you're going to say before you say it. Okay, and hello, and so here I'm not actually recording right now. You guys notice there's still that red camera button down there. When I click that red camera button again, I will start recording. If you see the timer in the upper right, let's see if I can point to it with my finger. Timer in the upper right says 1:30. It's frozen right there, so it's not actually recording. I can also click this button right there to change perspective. So I flip the camera around. So you guys can, you guys will want to be able to flip your camera around, because I'll be asking you guys to do some virtual labs using Flipgrid to show me what you know about geology or earth science. You guys are going to be doing some observations with nature around you. So there's lots of options here at the bottom I want you to take note of. I can import a clip. So if you have a clip already recorded on your phone and you don't like using Flipgrid, you can use another program and just import your video clip. You can import some notes or some audio. There's also these lots of cool effects. If you're into video filters, they have a lot of them. So I can just go with anything here. Here, I'll make myself sepia. That didn't really work. I'll just do black and white then. There's also frames, emojis, and text might be really useful. You might find it useful to have some labels if you're doing a lab. Oh, it's kind of hard to see there. Let me put it against my hair. Oh, there we go. Labels. Okay. And if I don't like that size, I can, make it bigger or smaller, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, I have to pinch it. There we go. Make it as big or as small as I want. Okay. And the effects button, I'm going to go back. If you want to attach a picture, we can do a GIF now. Cool. So if you want to do a picture, you would go back and tap on photo right there. Photo. And I could just do something. Here, I'll do this little funny meme I found. That's a random photo. This isn't a real medicine. This is kind of a little joke. Sleep until 2021 to end this year faster, right? Yeah. Okay, so attach a random picture. So now that I have all my filters and junk set up, I can click on record and actually start recording. So now I'm actually recording, and you see the timer is moving now, which means that's how much time I have left. And if I can still mess with my filters and pictures and do whatever I need to do. Whoa, I think I just messed something up. Oh yeah, let's turn off that thing there. That's better. Okay, so that is how we record, and I can pause, and you see now my timer is frozen. So pausing doesn't end my video, it just pauses it. Let's say if I'm doing a lab and I want to go from one rock to another or go outside to inside, but I don't want to take time out of my video to do that, I can pause the video and then resume recording when I need to. And so anyway, so you don't have to go to the full 90 seconds if you don't have enough material. So right now I only recorded 30 seconds. I'm going to click on this green check mark at the bottom to say that I'm done. Now it's going to let me review whatever I just recorded. It's not letting me review because I'm recording my screen at the same time, so it's kind of two apps are conflicting with each other. But if you can kind of see at the bottom that they let you edit your video. They let you actually cut stuff out, which is pretty cool. So if you're into that sort of thing, you like editing videos, take advantage of that. And it's not actually going to let me submit. But to submit this video, I'll just keep on clicking on this green check mark until I'm completely done. It might ask you to take a selfie for a thumbnail. It will ask you to just type in your name. So that's how you use Flipgrid using the Flipgrid app. I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to be posting 2 of these videos today, one for the computer, one for the app itself. If you have any questions, let me know, and have fun with it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.